Push it. Yeah. Again.
Oh, good job, Jaden. Tomorrow, you're the one who,
When it's already at 30 ml, you push this again.
I'm bad.
Bilis.
Okay,
try it.
Baka hindi niya ma-push it.
Marunong na ba magawa ng ano?
Barista na si
Barista.
Gusto yung kay Ate Chloe.
Oh, what already? Pretty Chloe.
Ba, dahil pa si Ate Chloe barista na si...
Oh, si Jaden. Good job. Oh, si Jaden. Let Jaden ano.
You want to put the condensed milk?
Yes.
But only 15. 15 grams. Squeeze it.
Kasi, kailangan pa lang sa social media ni Moki. Ikatay makita ko,
Bigyan more.
na siya. Ang ginagawa niya ngayon.
More, a little pa.
Nagtotoo ko bahala sa'yo. Ito,
11,
tumutin na sa
Not yet. Wait.
12.
3 more grams.
3 grams.
You see? 1 more gram. Okay, let me see. Okay!
No.
Pero
You want to add
aalis
more?
ng pag-glow up. Kung may nakaka-stress sa paligid. First,
Okay.
Okay.
No.
15.2.
Oh,
But it's
so pag
alright.
anin mo doon?
Oh, you mix it again.
hindi ka sa amin.
Here.
This button.
Lower it first before you open it
Yung
because it will
plano sa
blow. Okay, then turn it on. Oh, is it off?
At magandang lugar
You do it upstairs. It will explode.
Oh, yeah. Na.
Ating pamukha kay JD pa.
Don't lift it. Okay, that's enough. Okay,
Help me.
Oh, next.
Patay,
Now
apaw.
put ice.
Oh.
Ay! Wash hands.
Okay. Here.
How many eyes? Jaden.
Put 3 muna.
Okay. 1.
Two, four.
One more?
Okay.
Ito na.
Oh no.
Oh no!
You should sip a little milk because it will spill. I wait, I'm gonna wash this.
Life is so much better without Apple.
Here. Sip a little. Ay, ito na. Sip a little. Before you sip it. Po!
Ang ingay.
Mainit
Okay,
po.
oh,
Okay, put it. Yeah.
How many?
Okay, I think that's enough muna. Taste it. If it tastes like coffee na. Oh, now you make your own Spanish latte.
Wow! Jaden makes it. Oh, the Spanish latte.
It's so sweet. No.